It's our second day in Lisbon and we're heading out in a minute. And I've just remembered it is actually the law to carry some photo ID around with you when you're in Portugal. So I better put that in my bag. I'm packing my flute as well, my other flute, my spare flute. It's having an outing today. We're going to head to a massive shopping centre first of all. We're going to go there on the metro. The shopping centre is called Colombo. After that we've arranged to go and gate crash a rehearsal. We're getting involved with a bit of playing with some Irish music for Irish dancers on Paddy's Day here in Lisbon, and they're having a rehearsal today, so we're going to go and pop in. I was about to say, oh good, it's not raining today, however it is, but luckily I have an umbrella. I'm just checking out how warm it is. I think we do need a coat, unfortunately. We've set off on foot now towards the Lisbon Metro station. Tram coming. It's number 28. Noisy, aren't they? And another one. I've got a feeling that's a special tourist one. It's actually not raining, but rain keeps dripping down off the balconies and going on my camera. Some sort of blockage back there. And all manner of honking and beeping and shouting. Some sort of building works going on. Loads of building works actually. Izzy says she just had a load of powder landing on her off that scaffolding and it's stuck in her emollient now. Indignities of eczema, eh? So we're at Chiado here. Now this station is the one where you just keep going down and down and down. So here's the first escalator. Then we have the next one, 2. Number 3. Here we go. Going down. Daylight up there. Fading slowly away. Still going. Let's get off number 3. Next. 4. And this one's the last one by the look of it. So we're here at the moment. We're going to get on the blue line and go up to Colégio Militar Rouge. Let's go buy a ticket. They have automated ticket machines. They do have booths as well. The machines are relatively simple. There is an English option if you're interested. Right, so I got that much money on it already. I want to continue. I'm going to add €5 I think today. Zapping with notas. So that's like coins and things. Look on this minute, is it? Yeah. Oh, she's on it. So we're just aiming for this side here. Smells of popcorn down here. We've got 10 stops to go. Next stop now. go in the right direction. You have to go up those stairs there. Oh, there's an escalator. Let's go up the escalator.
No, let's go upstairs.
I'm going to go up the escalator because this umbrella's bouncing off the steps. You see it at the top? This is what it looks like outside, but we're staying indoors. So it's about 20 to 5 now, and this is what happened. We started approaching the shopping centre, and there was a security guard there, and he saw my camera, and he waggled his finger at me. And he gave a very stern expression, and I pointed at my camera, and he shook his head grimly. So that was that. I didn't do any filming. But we went and had something to eat. I had a very nice vegetarian pasta dish. My other half had a very fine lasagna. So we're heading off to Jazzy Dance Studios, and we're going to meet up with some people who play Irish music. They're all Portuguese actually, and there are some Portuguese Irish dancers. They're doing a big show on Paddy's Day, so St. Patrick's Day, 17th March. And I think we're going to just guest for a couple of numbers, so we're going to just go and join them, see what's going on. So we're going to get the metro now to Marquês de Pombal, and then change, go on the yellow line, just one stop up Picoas. And that's what we're doing. Forgot to mention, we did also go shopping a bit. Izzy has bought these cat ears. Have a look at your cat ears. Oh yes, very fine. And my boyfriend went and got some goodies from the supermarket for dinner later, back at the apartment. He complained about the smell. It smelled of bacalhau all through the entire supermarket apparently. Didn't it, dear? He's nodding. Just changing lines now to get onto the yellow line, following the signposts. Oh, there's a travelator. I love travelators. Izzy, there's a travelator. Let's go on it. Linha amarela. That's what we want, the yellow line. Izzy's decided she's still hungry and is attempting to use the vending machine in Portuguese all on her own. See how she gets on. Waiting for the train to come here now. It says it's going to be in 9 minutes or more. Success?
Mm-hmm.
How did you get on?
It was a bit tricky at first. I didn't get it, but then I experimented and I figured it out.
Oh, well done. Tickets are ready. Oh, look at that street art there. Awesome. We've got to figure out where to go now. I have a map on my phone. Oh, your shadow's in the vlog, love. Oh. It's over there, apparently. Oh, there it is. Jazzy Dance Studios. We have rehearsed. It's now about, I think it's about 7:30 or something like that in the evening. That was fun. We're heading back to our apartment now on the metro. Doing the elevator thing again. We've Gone 2 stops down the line to Chiado, and we're going to walk about quarter of an hour down the hill. I didn't fancy getting off at Chiado because it's really like low compared to where our apartment is. We didn't fancy a steep climb, so we're going to go down instead of up. There's my girl. So it's about 8:20. We're back in the apartment. We're going to cook some dinner now and head back out again. But I am going to end the vlog there. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. Don't forget to give the video a like if you liked it, because it really helps this channel to grow. Comment down your thoughts below. Subscribe if you'd like to follow more of our adventures, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.